Out of the MTA. So Charlie handed in his dime at the Sully Square station and he changed for Jamaica plane. When he got there, the conductor told him one more nickel. Charlie couldn't get off of that train. But did he ever return? No, he never returned, and his fate is still unlearned. Poor old Charlie, he may ride forever neath the streets of Boston. He's the man who never returned.
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to train safety. Never exit a moving train. Look out for the fires. Smoke is also not good. Debris or obstructions are also not good. Do not stand near live wires. Do not stand on the tracks. Leave luggage behind. Just leave it behind. Forget it. If you want to go back and say no, leave it behind. Beware of steep drop. Steep drop is actually a Swedish criminal. And you're probably not going to find him here because this is not a Swedish train. But if you see steep drop, look out. It's a very bad man. Do not leave the train inside of a tunnel or on a bridge. Also, don't leave your girlfriend at the movie theater because she'll get really angry. That's pretty much it.
Now all night long Charlie rides through the station crying, what will become of me? How can I afford to see my sister in Chelsea or my cousin in Roxbury? But did he ever return? No, he never returned, and his fate is still unlearned. He may ride forever neath the streets of Boston. He's the man who never returned. Charlie's wife goes down to the Sully Square station every day at 2:15, and through the open window she hands Charlie a sandwich as the train comes rumbling through. Now, you citizens of Boston, don't you think it's a scandal how the people have to pay and pay? Fight the fare increase, vote for George O'Brien, get poor Charlie off the MTA. Or else he'll never return, no, he'll never return, and his fate is still unlearned. What a pity. He may ride forever neath the streets of Boston. He's the man who never returned.